Now, if we focus today on what traditional braces are all about, in the old days, very old days of orthodontics, each tooth would have to have a separate band around it, and on each of those bands would be formed a bracket. Now today, with the advent of bonding of teeth, we are able to place a bracket on the tooth that's bonded into place. No longer are these bands required, and is much more comfortable and allows for much better movement. Also, in the old days, the arch wire that was put on the teeth was typically stainless steel. Today we use a material called nickel titanium, or NiTi, which was a material perfected during the space age, during our space program, of tight nickel and titanium, which is a very flexible, light, pliable, retains its memory, very kind to the tissues type of wire. We use that today because the movement is very much slower, not as forceful, and actually moves the teeth in a better position because the wire does retain its memory. So old traditional braces have changed quite a bit. With the advent of the new materials and bonding and bracketing and all the other tools we have in our toolbox that make orthodontics much easier, traditional braces have become a much more pleasant experience than what it was in the old days.